Silencio for us is much bigger than a blockchain-driven company, than a data company. Essentially, it comes to the core of democratizing how we gather data nowadays, but also how we commercialize that data. It's about bringing a bigger vision of Web3 and hopefully creating the platform to onboard millions of people from the Web2 to the Web3 world and really changing our distribution and value perception. I envision a future in which a lot of the decisions you take on your day-to-day life, specifically focus on your quality of life, are going to be guided by Silencio, directly or indirectly. So the next time you're actually looking for a new home or a new office space, you will be able to probably compare certain locations on a hyperlocal level to one another, understand what are the differences between a Sunday or Monday afternoon and what are the main sources of sound in a given location. This really has the potential to impact in terms of how we even look at the value of real estate in the future. Furthermore, we believe that being able to provide Silencio's data to major platforms such as Booking.com, Airbnb, and other short-term rental platforms are going to give the user unique insights in terms of the number one complaint worldwide in hotels, which is noise pollution. You're going to be able to select a quiet hotel before you fly across the world and without having to be surprised by a sleepless night. We also see a huge potential on the selection of gastronomy selections and venue selections in the future. Being able to know in what location you're able to take a call, have a normal conversation with your parents, is going to change the landscape in terms of how we select restaurants today. And if Google is already telling you, let's say, how expensive or full a restaurant is, we believe it's just a matter of time until it tells you how loud it is on average in that place.
Where do you see Silencio in 5 years?
I don't know, that's probably Thomas, this is probably better to answer.
I see Silencio in 5 years positively impacting the life of 1 billion people plus, indirectly or directly through the use of our application or other types of platforms that you might get access to our data.
I suppose in 5 years I see Silencio as the go-to app for measuring environmental noise, the go-to app for monitoring environmental noise in cities. I think also potentially it could scale in a way that is beyond comparison in the industry at the moment.